Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning here in Lawrenceville, Georgia today. As you can see, we've got a large pet spot right there. There's a couple others in the hallway here. This is a 5-area job. We're actually going to do 6 because we're going to throw an area in. We got some spots here in the hallway. Master's in fine shape. Daughter's room is daughter's room. All these paint spots are not going to come out, and those have already been addressed. So most of the problems are in the hallway. As it's 3 o'clock, as you can see, our main spot in this large room is gone. And the hallway looks great as well. So there was probably four major spots, 4 or 5 major spots on this cleaning. Again, with OMG, there's no per spot fees, no hidden charges, no fuel charges, no trip charges. Everything's included, including sanitizer, deodorizer if you need it. So 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Again, that's omgfloorcare.com or 04-500-9853. Until next time, stay humble, stay kind, be good to one another, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.